Are you working on client credit files and want a better way to show their monthly progress? The progress report inside the Client Dispute Manager software gives you a clean, detailed summary of your customers' credit file updates, all in one place. You'll see current score changes from all 3 credit bureaus, which accounts were deleted, and which items are still under review. This report helps you keep clients informed without extra calls or confusion, building trust and keeping them engaged in the process. And for your business, it's a time-saving tool that helps you present dispute results in a professional, easy-to-understand format. There are no exaggerated promises, just real, trackable updates that show your clients where they stand. If this is what you need, register now for a free 30-day trial of the Client Dispute Manager software.